Welcome back. I'm Mr. English Teacher, and I know that you want to speak English more comfortably and enjoyably. That's exactly why I created this podcast. Step by step, day by day, I'll help you speak English more naturally. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can easily follow along. We'll talk about how you can practice effectively, how to use English confidently, and how to make it a part of your daily routine. No matter how busy your life is, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, most people think they need to move to England or America to speak English well. But I can't say that's entirely true. You don't need to go abroad or live there. You don't even need someone next to you who is a native English speaker. All you need are small, simple, and repeatable steps. So after this short introduction, let's get started. First, I have a question for you. What is shadowing? Maybe you've heard the word shadowing before. The shadowing technique is one of the best methods to improve your speaking and listening skills at the same time. It's simple, yet very effective. Now that I've explained what shadowing is, I can almost hear you asking, "Teacher, how can we actually do shadowing?" Well then, keep listening. Just like you're listening to me now, listen to someone speaking English and try to repeat exactly what they say. Never translate in your head or check the dictionary. Simply imitate the sound you hear. Try to say the words with the same speed, tone, and rhythm as the speaker. I'll say a sentence, and you'll repeat after me. I want to speak English fluently. Now you repeat. I listen to English every day. Now you repeat. This technique helps me speak better when I practice regularly. Now you repeat. Very good. That's it. This is shadowing. At first it might feel strange, but you'll get used to it over time. Don't give up. When you do this exercise, you don't need to understand every single word. Relax. The purpose of shadowing is to make your brain and mouth work together and improve your English. It helps you notice how sounds are pronounced in English and how your mouth and tongue move when you speak. If you do this regularly and frequently, this practice will help you speak faster and clearer. Now, let's talk about the main topic. How can you practice English every day? My students often ask me, "Teacher, I want to learn English, but I don't have time. I feel nervous when I speak. I don't know where to start." And I always tell them, you don't need a lot of time or perfect grammar knowledge. You just need to start. So get ready. I'll show you 5 simple and effective ways to practice English in your daily life. Step 1. Listen to something in English every day. This is the most important step. If you want to speak better, you must listen every day. Listening helps you learn new words, understand the natural rhythm of English, get your ears used to the language, and understand how people speak in real life. So how can you practice listening in English? You can listen to podcasts, like this one, listen to English songs, or watch videos on YouTube. And as I said before, you don't need to understand 100%. Just listen and try to understand the meaning. Even if you understand only 30% or 50%, that's perfectly fine. Listening for just 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough to make a real difference. And here's a little surprise for you. My brand new English learning ebook for beginners is now available. Inside, you'll find the most common words used in daily life, visual memory techniques, and practical phrases that will help you progress quickly, even if you're starting from zero. Instead of simply memorizing words, you'll learn how to use them in a natural and memorable way. If you've been wondering, where should I start? This book is perfect for you. I'll leave the link in the description. Don't miss it. Now, let's continue where we left off. Just like before, tip 2 is repeat what you hear. In the previous step, you listened to something in English. Now it's time to use your voice. Listening is important, but speaking is what strengthens your skills. After listening to an audio clip, repeat it. Speak it out loud and imitate what you hear. This exercise helps you understand the rhythm of English. Over time, you'll notice your speech becoming more fluent and your pronunciation clearer. Remember, we're not looking for perfection, just keep practicing. Tip 3. Think in English one thought at a time. This is one of the biggest changes you can make in your learning journey. But how do you start thinking in English? With short, simple sentences, of course. When you wake up, say to yourself, "I'm still sleepy. I want coffee." Look outside and think, "The sky is blue. It's cold today. I see a cat outside." These are small thoughts, but they help your brain connect directly to English. Later, start saying these thoughts out loud. This allows you to have daily conversations with yourself in English. Tip 4. Read out loud. Train your tongue. Reading aloud helps your mouth, tongue, and brain work together at the same time, and it's an excellent exercise. Read slowly and clearly, without rushing. Over time, you'll start to read faster, and you'll see your own progress. Then, start adding some intonation and speed to sound more natural. Tip 5. Use English in your daily life. This is very important. If you want to speak English well, you must learn to live with English. What do I mean by that? You can't learn English by studying for just 30 minutes a few times a week. You have to live and breathe English, think in it, talk in it, and use it as often as your native language. The more you use and hear English, the more natural it becomes. So, how can you do this? Let me share a few easy ways. First, set your phone's language to English. We look at our phones hundreds of times a day, right? So why not use that time to learn? Every time you open your phone, you'll see English words. You don't even need to study them separately. Your brain will remember them naturally after seeing them multiple times. This is called passive learning, and it's incredibly effective. Second, keep a daily journal. You don't need to write pages and pages. Even 3 simple sentences about your day are enough. For example, today I went to the market. I was very tired. I drank 2 cups of tea, or it snowed this morning. I couldn't leave the house. I watched an English movie. This is a great way to build simple sentences and use words from your daily life. If you do this for just 10 minutes a day, you'll start to see real progress. Speaking and using English isn't difficult. You don't need much time, and you don't even need a teacher for it. Here's the secret. Turn your daily actions into English practice. For example, say, "Good morning" in English language. Instead of writing your to-do list in your own language, try writing it in English. Instead of watching TV in your native language for 10 minutes, watch 10 minutes of an English video. These small steps create powerful habits, and those habits give you confidence when speaking English. Never forget, make English a part of your life. Let it be in your phone, your journal, your thoughts, and your voice. When you do that, English won't feel impossible anymore. It will start to feel natural, like something you live with every day. And that's when you'll know you've reached fluency. So yes, we've reached the end of another video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.